Hey, welcome to Quadash Farm. This is Big John here, out here in East Texas. Me and the family are out here. I guess it's May 25th. Some would say it's Memorial Day. We are gonna put some raised beds together. Got some burlap I'm gonna put at the bottom of these wood raised beds. And here we got some peat moss, cow manure, compost, topsoil. We got some bone meal for fertilizer. Got some neem oil to keep the bugs away. And we just put a little herb raised bed together. So over here, herbs and veggies. We got some tomatoes, complimentary rosemary. We got some sweet basil. We got some cucumbers right here in the back, getting some sun. We also got some lemongrass and some parsley. So just doing a little project with the family out here at Quadash Farm. We thank you for watching. We know we haven't had a video in a while, but we appreciate you watching this one. So, most high bless. See you in the next video. Burlap sack at the bottom. It said that burlap will protect the wood and it also let the water soak through. So we're gonna put the burlap down, then we're gonna mix our compost, topsoil, peat moss, mix all that together and put it on top of this burlap. And once it settles in, we'll probably come back and then plant these herbs and vegetables that we have. I'm about to mix this topsoil manure with this peat moss. Peat moss is supposed to, I guess, give us some space and air for it to breathe, for the water for the roots to kind of move through the soil without it being so gucky. You know, this stuff here is kind of big, might obstruct the roots, so we're gonna put some peat moss and mix it in.
What you doing? Scrolling.
All right, fellow gardeners, this is what sweat equity looks like when you put your hands in the dirt. And we pray that we can reap some harvest from these tomatoes, parsley, and other herbs that we have here. We have some cucumbers down this way. It's not the garden that we had in 21-22, but me and the missus, we're getting back at it. And hopefully in 2027, we'll have a full-blown garden in the dirt. Got some stuff to clean up, but hopefully we'll get our in-the-ground garden going. Y'all be blessed.